I got my halos in, and I have them in where I want them to be. And we're just gonna, matter of fact, I feel like this cape is too dark and you're not gonna be able to see, so I'm gonna just switch this real quick. All right, so I have the halo extensions in, and now I just want to blend them to my hair. Now I don't know how short or how long they're going to end up being, but I know I don't want them to look choppy like this, and I don't want it like, my hair is kind of like about the same length as the top one in some spots, because my hair grows kind of like, my perimeter grows faster. It grows like double the time that my hair grows in the center, so it's longer on the perimeter. But basically, that's why I got a 12-inch, so it'll be closer to the length of my hair as well. So I'm gonna blend these out. But if you're gonna try to do it yourself and do it at home, I'm gonna just show you an easy way to do it. And you basically just wanna start by bringing all the hair to the front, like separating it in the back. Oh, my earring came out. Actually, I'm gonna pull both of them out right now. So you're gonna take both sides, swing one to one side, other to the other side, make it as even as you can make it. And now we're ready to start cutting. So see how you can see all of those, like you can see exactly where the 12-inch ends, where the 14-inch ends, and where the 18-inch ends. Now, if you're not a professional, like I actually know how to cut layers, and I'm just gonna take this one section, but I'm gonna show you kind of like how professionals do it, and then how you should do it for yourself if you're at home. So basically, I would just take this part, comb it to the front of my face, and see where I see the layers at. Now where you see it stopping at, that's where you're going to start at, and kind of like just blend it out. So you would just take your scissors. Now I got a little pair of cheap scissors. These are near and dear to my heart because these are the first pair of scissors that I actually cut with. And we're just going to take that straight down on the angle. Like that. Okay. So what that is doing is creating a layered look. So if this is what you're trying to do, and you're really trying to get into this like this and cut it, you want to make sure that you have the hair out. Like, see how this is? I'm going to look at it, and then I'm just going to cut that on the angle. Take it slow so that you're not doing too much, because if you're doing too much, you'll mess around and cut too much, and you don't want to do that. You basically just keep cutting it or cutting on it until you don't see that line of demarcation anymore. So where I see the line of demarcation, I'm just going to cut across it and take it to the ends. And I'm just going to keep on doing that until I get the layers out. So see how this is? We're just going to take it on down. I got this in the wrong finger. Just take it on down, take it slow like some stairs. Take it slow and cut it down. Now, if you feel like it doesn't look good, you still gotta you just keep working on it until you get it to blend the way you want it to. So, and the reason for bringing the back up to the front is so that you can see what you're working with. And you don't have to worry about cutting that back part in the back, with it in the back of your head, because you can't see back there. So I'm just basically gonna cut that. And then you just comb it every now and again. Like, this is starting to blend, but we got a lot more to go. So you see how much that is? Like, we're just gonna take the shears and go down. All right. And let's check, see what we got. That ain't what we want. So we're gonna continue to cut until we get the desired look. So if it doesn't look like a stair step when you pull it out, you just cut one and create it. Now, I'm just winging it on here, but this is basically all you're doing. Find the hacky spots and trim them down. Now, I don't care what the ending length is. I just didn't want it to be, I just don't want it to have like that line of demarcation in it. So eventually, as you keep cutting, it'll start looking like something. Now, if your hair is blocking it, you might want to tuck so you can see. But literally, this is all I'm doing. Is cutting it on an angle. This is really easy, especially like once you get the hang of it, it's like, oh, okay, I can do this. Now, when I get to the other side, I'm going to actually show y'all. I wanted to show y'all two ways. But when we get to the other side, I'm actually going to use the razor. The razor is going to be for the speed demons or people that prefer a razor cut, or people that feel as though a razor cut is faster. So see how it's slightly starting to not have those crazy looking layers in it. You just gotta keep working on it. Keep pulling it out. Check it. See what it's looking like. Cut it on the angle. You don't have to use any particular order. You just pick pieces up where you feel comfortable, and you just start blending. All right, so see how this is starting to look a little bit more blended than with this side. Like this side is still looking super crazy. All right.